10 wallet-friendly ways to transform your bedroom into an expensive look. 1. Cohesive color palette. Stick to a cohesive color scheme to create a unified and sophisticated look. 2. Strategic lighting. Add elegant lighting fixtures or stylish bedside lamps to create an upscale ambience without breaking the bank. 3. Statement wall art. Incorporate budget-friendly, eye-catching wall art or modern tattoo art to elevate the aesthetic of your bedroom. 4. Mirrors for illusion. Place mirrors strategically to reflect light and create an illusion of space, making your room feel more expansive. 6. Minimalist furniture. Opt for sleek, minimalist furniture to give your bedroom a modern and upscale feel without spending a fortune. 7. Luxurious bedding. Invest in high-quality, affordable bedding sets with rich textures for a sophisticated look. 8. Customize on a budget. Personalize your space with budget-friendly wall decors, such as consider incorporating unique and budget-friendly wall decors with modern tattoo art. These artistic accents can instantly transform your bedroom, adding a touch of edgy sophistication and expensive. 9. Window treatments. Invest in affordable, high-quality curtains and add a touch of elegance. 10. Organized space. Keep your bedroom clutter-free and well-organized for a polished and expensive appearance. How can we make our bedroom look expensive with modern tattoo art? The versatility of modern tattoo art allows you to experiment with different patterns and themes, making it a cost-effective way to achieve a luxurious ambience. Choose designs that resonate with your style, elevating the overall aesthetic of your bedroom. Don't forget to like and subscribe the channel for more.